Alright, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to build an email list with Facebook ads. There's a couple steps to this and I'm going to walk you through everything step by step so you have an awesome game plan. Now this is inside my University of Ads, but the outline is right here, so that is what we're going to go with. So we're going to start with kind of an intro. Building a list is vital to your business because without it, you're not going to survive. It doesn't matter if you're a coach, consultant, course creator, whatever you're doing, even if you're selling e-com, selling print on demand, you have to have an email list to make this work. Otherwise, you're relying on an ad going straight to a purchase, which is an impulse buy, which is very difficult to do. So make sure you do that. You're going to need an ads manager. You're going to need Pixel data set placed. You're going to need a landing page, an upsell page, and a thank you page. Now, the upsell page is a little bit more advanced. That's where we're getting into actually making money while we're building our list instead of giving it away for free. Then you want to make sure you have a lead magnet. And of course, then you're going to need to define your audience, create some ads, set up your campaign in the Facebook Ads Manager, and of course, monitor things, optimize things, use some rules in order to make it work. And then you can scale it, and you want to be nurturing your list at the same time. So let's go have a look real quick here at kind of some behind the scenes stuff, and at a landing page that's converting at about over 40% for this. So in my case, here's a landing page, very simple. 25 Facebook ad mistakes to avoid and how to fix them. Enter your email, press submit, and then it goes to the next page. I've got bare bones on this, and this actually converts better than the landing pages that you use when you're building your list that have a whole bunch of bells and whistles and testimonials and pain points and call to action, and like this is not a sales page. The sole point of this is to get their email. So when somebody lands on here, their options are enter your email, press submit, and go to the next page, or leave. Instead of read something, read a bunch of things, read take a super long sales page, read through it, have reasons that you're not going to enter your email and press submit, and then leave the page. This works best. This is actually a page taken right out of the book of one of the biggest coaches, longest lasting coaches online, whose funnel is literally an ad to this, to a webinar, and then he gets you on a call. And that works very, very well. But my goal here is to build up my email list so I can make offers to it, as well as nurture it, as well as make sales right away. So if you are going with this and you're just starting out, you need this page and you need this page, which is basically just a thank you page. And it just says we've sent the guide to your inbox, that's it. Or you could even put a button on here that says download the guide now. Okay, now once you get a little bit more advanced with email list building, you're going to want to try and monetize this right away. So with this particular one, I am giving away a guide. It is 129 pages, but when they enter their email, it goes here. And so now I say, okay, wait, special free offer for you. Watch this video. Now you have a choice. You can join. In this case, of course, I'm trying to push my University of Ads via ads. So I'm using the email route to do it, but this is my upsell. So I'm just saying you can join it for free to try us out. Click the join now button, or you can skip it and just get the free guide now. So if they click here, it goes to the page where they can join, which looks like I'm logged in right now, but it actually looks like this for them, where they can start their free trial, which is awesome. And free trials work very well with this type of funnel. Or they can go no thanks, and it'll go right to the guide, to that thank you page. So they have options here now. Building this out, you can see this page, like, wait, is this really free to join? Yeah, you can join right now. If you don't like us, you don't want to stick around, no worries. You can cancel at any time. You don't even need to speak to us. So this is one of the biggest reasons people don't like free trials is they're like, well, now I'm going to have to get on a phone call to cancel it. And I'm like, no, I just totally eliminated that. You can cancel it yourself. And then maybe you've tried to do this, or you could join this for free. It took me a long time. Now, this is more of a sales page, right? Instead of my other page, which is just, boom, that. Look at the difference and how long these are. So if you want some help for free, you can join. And how do I cancel if I don't want to stick around? I literally put a link to how they do it. Follow those instructions. You're free to cancel on your own at any time. You want to eliminate any objections to your offer on this page, and you want to show them that you have the guide coming. This is how you got them in the door into your universe. Now you're making them an offer. A lot of people aren't going to take the offer, some will, but now you've also got them on your list, and now you can nurture that list with a bunch of emails. So how do you get the people in here in the first place? Well, you run some ads. So here's an example of one. Struggling with Facebook ads, avoid these 25 common mistakes. Wasting money on Facebook ads that aren't working, you're not alone. Most advertisers' costly mistakes are holding them back from real results. It doesn't have to be that way. I put together a free guide to help you avoid 25 ad mistakes that most businesses make and how to fix them. Learn how to avoid campaign killing errors, improve your ad performance, and lower your costs. Turn your ad spend into sales. Want to make sure your next Facebook ad campaign is a success. Grab the free guide now and start optimizing. So they click it on the download there, or the image, and it will take them to this page. So it is a real ad. What I did too is I said, okay, I'm not just going to do one image. You always want to be split testing images and ad copy and ads to find the best angle, the best of everything. So here's another one. Different. You can see the image is different. This is a dude kind of on a bus struggling. Weird image, but I use Canva in order to just put this 25 Facebook ad mistakes to avoid over it. And I use actually ChatGPT to come up with the ad copy. So it says, transform your Facebook ads into a profit machine. Are your ads failing to deliver? You might be making one of these 25 costly mistakes holding you back. Spent over 17 years helping businesses achieve amazing results with their ads, giving away my free guide. And inside that, of course, the biggest mistakes, blah, blah, blah. There's the link to, I put it there, which goes to the same page. And then as we know, once they enter their email, they are now on my list. And I can go to my sales funnel here. This is system.io, which is amazing for creating this kind of thing. But if we go to the free guide squeeze, and I'll show to stats and I'll show you. So I've had 218 page views and 97 people have actually opted in, which is 44.5% conversion rate on that opt-in page that you saw. So this page is converting at 44.5%. That's really, really, really good. So that means I've just added like almost 100 people to my email list, and now I can send them a nurture sequence where they can get to know me, which I do, and I've automated that with my account as well, where as soon as they enter the list, they get tagged as free guide, and then they go into a sequence. And the sequence is just kind of like a welcome sequence, like a welcome to this universe, welcome to my world. What I also do at the bottom of every email is I have a link where people can go and they can actually join this for free. So I'm not even mentioning this part, the University of Ads. I'm just sending them, like there's a link in the footer of the email that says start the free trial, and that's it. So this sequence of add to this page, to this page, to this page works really, really well at a 44.5% conversion rate. And now I'm using my ads in order to build up my list nicely. And you're probably wondering like, well, wait, what kind of campaign are you setting up to do that? I'm just setting up a very simple one. And my targeting is actually nothing. I don't target anybody. So with Facebook ads, I cover the whole thing in here too, by the way. Just going inside here. Is it here? No, here. So in here, inside the classroom, I do live training, but here's a replay of the exact thing. There's session 1, which is an hour, session 2, which is an hour 13, and session 3, which is an hour and 15. You can get access to this if you want to see the actual ad campaign being set up and run and pixels placed and all that good stuff. It is a free trial. There's nothing to lose. So I would suggest go there, get the free trial. If you don't like it, you can cancel at any time. And you just cancel it by clicking on your profile, when you're in the group, click on your profile, go to manage subscription, go to cancel, and you're out. That's it. It's that simple. If you want to stick around, we've got more that we're doing, including this month, which is YouTube ads. I've already got one session up on that, and the next one I'm actually uploading pretty soon because I just shot it this morning. So University of Ads, go there, join. You'll see a page like this. If you don't have an account on school, just click Start Free Trial. First name, last name, email, password, sign up. And then it'll take you to a little pop-up that will want you to confirm your email, and then go in, confirm your email, then you can join this free trial for free. So you got 7 days to look around. I give you full access to everything. So you'll get access to this whole month from October of session 1, 2, and 3. So there's over 3 hours of training. There's 4, and there's another hour coming up that I'm going to be uploading very shortly. Actually, tonight I'll be uploading that. And then you can stick around for even more, because we do have live training sessions going on all the time. All right, if you have any questions, let me know, but that's basically it. How to get how to build up an email list with Facebook ads, and including an offer for come on in, check out the 3 hours plus of training. If you like it, stick around. If you don't, cancel, head back out. No problem at all. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.